So guys, in SketchUp, it's very difficult to create such CNC jali pattern because for that you have to use many tools like line tools, curve tools to create a enclosed surface, and then you have to extrude it, right? So it's very time consuming process and it's almost impossible to do. Okay. So there is a one solution here. So first you have to open convertio.co. You have to open in a browser and then choose the file, the image file that you have to choose, and then you have to open it. Okay. Then after open, you have to select the conversion file. Like I am selecting DWG file, and then you have to click over the convert option. And within a couple of seconds, it will convert it. Then you have to click over download button to download it, and then go in the SketchUp. So first click on a file, click over the import option, then click this DXF file option and then hit import. Okay. After importing, you have to just go inside this grouped model or you can explode it. Select the entire lines. Use JHS powerbar plugin. Here you have to select face finder tool. Okay. When you will click here, your faces will be perfectly closed. Then here you have to again select entire model and then press shift button and double click over the surface to deselect the lines. Okay, then right click, erase the. Now guys, you have to press P and extrude it and give some thickness to look like a 3D CNC jali model. Okay, so this is the easiest way that you can use to create any kind of jali or any kind of decorative patterns that is in a image form. Okay, so convertier.co will help you to do that. So guys, if you have any questions regarding this video, you can comment in a comment section below, and if you really like, please follow me, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have fun. See you next tutorial guys. Thank you.